Hi Resilience, and welcome to our very first video for this semester's academic year 2024-2025 opening. Ako din si Alden, the current SSG President, and for this exciting beginning, we have an equally exciting announcement for you. We invite you to join us for a 2-day celebration of unity, friendship, and learning, the SSG Student-Led Welcoming Program with the theme, Pagking Duyong. Karong September 2 and 3, 2024, the SSG alongside the student leaders will lead a welcoming program designed to bring our community together. Whether you are a new student, a returning one, or a member of our dedicated faculty and staff, kanina mga event kay para sa inyong tanan po. Expect inspiring speeches from our SSG officials and school administrators, as well as performances that showcase our students' talents and plenty of chances to win exciting prizes through games and raffles. I repeat, prizes and raffles. Madami sad, kinatay mga interactive games that will challenge and entertain. With the help of our peer ambassadors and guidance team from classic parlor games to karaoke and a photo booth, there is something para sa tanan. And don't miss the high-energy Zumba session ni paghatag sa tuwa by our ROTC unit in the afternoon, as well as Resilience Got Talent that will give you a chance to witness the unique skills and creativity of our fellow students. It is a celebration of the diverse talents that will make our school community special. So tara, and join us in making this year unforgettable. Let's come together, support each other, and make Rizal Memorial Colleges our home away from home. So see you on September 2 and 3. Once again, I'm President Malipayong.